So my name's Martin Tanner. I'm a Projects Director for a company called ADM Computing. We're a value-added reseller or systems integrator based in Canterbury, South East. So we provide the specification, provision, installation and ongoing support for IT infrastructures for the SMEs. So at the moment they're rotated around Office 365, Enterprise Mobility Suite and Microsoft Azure. Our target market is for companies between 15 to 250 users that outsource all or part of their IT and are based within the South East with a predominantly Microsoft-based environment. So we have nearly 500 of all sorts of varying sizes and vertical markets. So it's just coming up to 8 years. The great thing about Azure is that SMEs can get enterprise IT infrastructure for a cost-effective rate. It provides the flexibility to expand their existing infrastructure or move their infrastructure, and there's constant development of tools that Microsoft are providing that can help out and solve business problems. There's got to be the continuing development and the pace with it changes, the implementation of new tools which can be of benefit to us and our client base. Well, it's in a number of ways. The first one is really around business continuity, which includes your off-site backup. It also includes Azure Site Recovery, where our clients can effectively have very cost-effective replication of their servers up into Azure, and should a disaster strike, they're able to spin them up in Azure rather than having to wait for more infrastructure to be delivered to site and restoration times. In addition to that, we provide the additional Active Directory services which allow for single sign-on, and that's not just to other Microsoft products, it's due to, that helps with line of business products as well. We're also increasingly finding that there's a demand for operational management suite, which helps us and our clients pinpoint issues and monitor health on their infrastructure and resolve those problems faster than ever before. Well, they're numerous, but one of them is the cost-effective expansion of existing infrastructure, whether that be for testing and development, or whether that be that the existing infrastructure has reached its limit and expanding from there. Of course, when it comes to refreshes of high availability environments, it provides another option, an option whereby instead of the client having to have a large capital cost of replacing servers and SANs, and the associated licenses, they can move their infrastructure into the cloud with Microsoft Azure, and that effectively will be the last time that they have that kind of particular project to do. The real applications of Azure include the disaster recovery scenario and compliance. So increasingly our clients are being asked to provide their disaster recovery plans to their customers. In addition, the business continuity around operational management suite and helping resolve issues, particularly performance issues, is invaluable. So the relationship with IMC has just been absolutely fantastic, really. They've helped support us in growing our business, and that's at all levels, whether that be the sales level and sales training, technical training for our engineers, and even with regards to the administrative processing for our admin department.